Hey guys, got a quick video to check the oil level on a 2019 Range Rover Sport 3.0 supercharged. Works on a couple of other different models too. Uh, there's no dipstick on this vehicle, so just in case you get an oil change or just need to check the oil level, this is the procedure. First, most important thing is let the car sit turned off for at least about 20 to 30 minutes. It has to be sitting turned off for 20 to 30 minutes. After that, we're going to turn the ignition to the on position by pressing the start button once. You're going to see this menu over here. After that, we're going to use this buttons right over here, up, down, left, right, OK. So we're going to press OK to clear the button. Press OK one more time. Press right till we get to vehicle info. And this menu will only show up with the ignition on. Once you start, it will not show up. So we're gonna go down, oil level, press OK. That's the oil level right over here. If you try to check it and it's not been sitting turned off for 20 to 30 minutes, it's gonna show unavailable till you let it sit at a level surface turned off for 20 to 30 minutes. Then turn the ignition on. Do not start the vehicle, otherwise you will not be able to get to this menu. And you can always press the back button, check other stuff too. VIN number, last alarm, when is the next service due, tire pressures, all that. Alright, so hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.